Good morning, Jai Hindi student. It's my second video. So here the beggar was scarecrow of a beggar shrugged means he was not able to move and he didn't know where he was going. Actually, due to his drinking habit, he was not walking stably. So it was obvious from his gait that means it was clear from his walking from his manner of walking that he was not in the condition to do the work as he had agreed, and to go chop wood for because he was hungry and wanted work. So he was trapped in his own word because he said that he wanted to do work, and due to his drinking habit, his physical strength had gone down, and he was not able to chop the wood. Sergei hurried into the dining room and he was observing there. Then he saw that the cook and the beggar came out into the yard by the back door and made their way across the dirty snow to the shed. Olga glared wrathfully, means being hating. She was not liking that drunken person because he was drunken at that time and he was not moving in a well manner. Next he saw the pseudo teacher, means that artificial, means the beggar was seated in himself in front on a wood, and then Olga just spat, means thukna. She spat angrily because she didn't like the beggar, and then she give wood to chop and then set it up. Then he tried his best and he trapped it into his feet, and then he was cutting, but no force was there. The billet wavered and fell down, means the piece of wood, a thick piece of wood, it fallen down and he could not chop due to his moving of body. He was a drunken person, so for that reason he was not able to chop the wood and he could not chop. Sergei's anger had vanished because he thought that he did not do that because that person was a sick person and he was not in the condition to chop the wood. Then can come and cut wood. Then he said Olga, please say the beggar he may come every first day on the month and he can chop wood for us to earn money. On the first of the month the way made, so the beggar he would come. Wait means hota hai who is homeless, so that beggar he would come every time at the first on the first day of the month, and he would do work whatever he was provided, and in this way he would earn money. Then when Sergei moved into another house, he was changing his house. Then he called the beggar for helping him and hauling the furniture, and he was walking behind the wagon hanging his head, and he was thinking that at that time he will not show any pretend for not doing work, and he was doing work with zeal, with enthusiasm. Well, I am happy that my words have taken effect and you are working here for earning money. And Lashkov, because the beggar's name was Lashkov. So well, Lashkov, I can now offer you another job. Can you write? Yes, I can write. Then take this letter to a friend of mine tomorrow and you will be given some copying to do. Means he was offered for another job for copying a written work. Then he was advised to do hard work. Then pleased at having put a man on the right path, Sergei tapped Lashkov kindly on the shoulder. Tapped means thapaya. Then Lashkov took the letter and went away. Then 2 years went. After 2 years, then one evening, as Sergei was standing at the ticket window of a theatre paying for his seat, then he noticed a person in a well-mannered way, in a coat collar of curly fur. Then this little individual timidly asked the ticket seller for a seat in the gallery and paid it in copper coins. Lashkov, is that you? Sergei identified. Sergei ने इसको पहचाना and he said, Lashkov, is that you? Then Lashkov also identified. All right, I'm notary. मैं नोटरी हूँ and I'm paid 35 rubles in a month. Then think heaven. That's fine. I am delighted for your sake. I am very very glad, Lashkov. उसने कहा कि वो बहुत खुश हो गया. You see, you are my godsend. मतलब you are giving me credit in this way, and I gave you a push along the right path, and you have followed. It's your virtue, it's your trait. तो सर्गी ने उससे कहा कि तुमने मेहनत की. I have only pushed you. Thank you too, said Lashkov. If I had not come to you, अगर मैं आपके पास नहीं आया होता, I might still have been calling myself a teacher or a student and begging by pretending to be a schoolmaster and a student. I am very glad indeed. Thank you for so kind words, and indeed I am very grateful to you. And he said these words. How is that when I used to come to your house to chop, then Lashkov just told कि it was that lady. It was that lady Volga who helped me a lot, because first she scolded me, and she scolded me a lot. Nothing for you but ruin. She scolded me, and then she would sit down opposite, and she was looking at me, and then she would weep. Oh, you unlucky person! And there is no pleasure, unlucky man, no pleasure for you in this world, because you are a drunken person. You drunkard, you will burn in hell. And she would chop wood for me. So she was also thankful for Volga, because she used to chop the wood for me. Do you know, sir, that I didn't chop one single stick of wood for you? मैंने कोई लकड़ी नहीं काटी थी. It was Volga who cut wood for me. She did it all. Why this saved me? Why I changed? Why I stopped drinking? Because Volga always helped me, and this changed me. I only know that owing to her words and noble deeds, a change took place in my heart. She set me right, and I shall never forget it. And then, however, it is time to go now. Then they departed. In this way, Lashkov thanked to Volga also, as well as he was thanking to Sergei. Okay, students. This is the end of the story, that the Lashkov, who was beggar, he became a gentleman and he became a notary. Thank you and Jai Hind.